Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you this beautiful stitch, easy and beginner friendly. It reminds me chessboard or basket weave stitch. For this stitch you need to cast on the number that is divisible by 4. I'm talking about the central part. And for the border I cast on 4 stitches on one side plus 4 stitches on the other side and plus 2 selvage stitches. If you're not going to make borders, just cast on the number multiple of 4 plus 2 selvage stitches. This video tutorial I'm going to show you also with the border. We start with 5 rows of garter stitch, and for this example I cast on 30 stitches and I did already 5 rows in garter stitch. It means I was knitting all rows back and forth. And now let's start with the main pattern. Row number 1, slip the first stitch and knit all stitches till the last one. And the last stitch we will always purl it. It's a selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch. Now knit 4. These are stitches of the border. We will always knit them on the right and on the wrong side. Now purl all stitches until you have 5 stitches at the end. So the central stitches until you reach the border. So purl. I do everything fast because I think it is clear how to purl. And I didn't say that the stitch pattern has 20 rows to repeat. Purl one more, and at the end the border knit 4 and purl the last selvage stitch. Perfect. Turn. Row number 3, and actually all even rows will be the same. So we slip the first stitch, then knit all stitches and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4, slip the first stitch. Now knit 4, it's a border. After that, what we are going to repeat, knit 4 again, purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's do it again. Knit 4. So we are going to repeat knit 4, purl 4. Purl 4. If you have 4 more stitches, then you knit them. Knit 4. because it depends how many stitches you cast on. And then the border, knit 4 again, like we did at the beginning, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 5, again we repeat by knitting all stitches. And purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 6 will be the same as row number 4. So now you start knitting the border, knit 4, and after that the main pattern, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, and again repeat, knit 4, purl 4. Here I have 4 more stitches, so knit them, knit 4, 4 more stitches for the border, knit them, knit 4 again, so in total knit 8, and purl the last selvage stitch. So look, what do we have? We have formed 2 garter stitch rows, and we will form 2 more. We need 4 in total, like here. So now you repeat row number 3 and row number 4 2 more times. On the right side, knit all stitches, and on the wrong side, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4. And I will see you after, and you will have 4 garter stitch rows. Here I am, and that's what we have. 1, 2, 3, and this one 4. That's it. Row number 11. Slip the first stitch and knit all stitches, like all even rows. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 12. Slip the first stitch. This row will be the same as row number 2. So border, knit 4. Now purl all stitches, central stitches, until you have 5 stitches at the end. And at the end, knit 4, the border, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 13, again knit all stitches. Now purl the last selvage stitch, turn, and now row number 14, slip the first stitch, knit 4 the border, and here we will change. We will start with purl 4, and then knit 4. And let's repeat. Purl 4, knit 4. At the end, purl 4, and now the border, knit 4, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 15, knit all stitches, purl the last selvage stitch, turn. Row number 16, slip the first stitch, knit 4, and it will be the same as row number 14. So purl 4, knit 4. Again, purl 4, knit 4, purl 4, knit 4 the border, and purl the last selvage stitch, turn. And now we are going to repeat row number 13 and 14 two more times. So to get in total again, so we have 2 garter stitch rows and we need to get 4. So row number 17 and 19 will be the same as row number 13, and row number 18 and 20 will be the same as row number 14. The written instruction you can find on my blog. Please check it, and I will be back when I finish row number 20. Here I am, and that's what I have. So I've done 20 rows. I have here 4 garter stitch rows. And now you start repeat everything from row number 1, where you knit all stitches, then you on the wrong side you purl central stitches, and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and check more stitch tutorials on my YouTube channel and written instructions on my blog. See you soon. Bye!